Hello, my friends, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Gina Louise. Today I have a quick and easy project and so inexpensive, and you're going to love it. Okay, so what are we making today? We are making these adorable Christmas tree ornaments made from buttons. I made a bunch of these using my grandmother's buttons. I have 2 tins filled with my grandmother's buttons, but I found it difficult because I had to find various sizes to make it look like a tree, and that was not easy to do. So yesterday, as I'm shopping in Hobby Lobby, first time I've been in there in months, I see that all their sewing supplies are 50% off. So look what I find. I find these, oopsie, pink and blue buttons in various sizes. Half off, $2.50 for this bag, and you can make a bunch of Christmas trees. Same with this one. And these were half off. Look at these. Stars to top the Christmas trees. And here's these beautiful blingy buttons because I want to make a pink girly one, of course. And these little ones to make the bottom of the tree. See, you need this. You need like 3 or 4 to do the bottom of the tree, the bark, the base of it. In brown, I got these, look, $1.50. So all of this cost me what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, a little over 10 bucks. You're going to need wire cutters, and you're going to need wire. This is the easiest way to make these. I know people make them with string, and I find it so easy to do with this. This is my favorite wire. It is from the automotive section in Dollar Tree. So I do know that Dollar Tree sells buttons, but I did not find them when I went in my Dollar Tree. So here we go. Now I'm going to show you how easy this is with these buttons that I bought from Hobby Lobby. And don't forget to stay to the end so you can find out how to win one of these market calendars. Okay, so this is how I like to do them. I know a lot of people, like I said before, like to use string and stuff. I find it harder to do it with string. I like to do the easy way of doing crafts. So I'm just going to take this wire, and I'm thinking that will be long enough. Snip it, and you're going to start, get your 2 pieces together. You're going to start with the bottom of the tree, the bark part, which is going to be a little wood brown buttons. I like to use 4 of them. So we're just going to see how I'm doing that. I'm just pushing them down. You're going to push them all the way down to the end. That's going to be the bottom of your tree. So then keep going because I like 4. There we go. See that? Bottom of the tree. Now remember, you're going from the bottom of the tree up. So you're going to take your largest buttons first. This pack from Hobby Lobby could use a couple of different sizes. I thought it had more variety of sizes, but it just had duplicates of the same sizes. But it's still going to make a cute tree. See, this is what we're doing. I'm making a cute little pink one for one of the girls in my family. I don't know who yet, but I wanted to make a cute little girly one. I probably could have used a button that was a little larger than this one, smaller than that one, but it'll still make a cute tree. Keep feeding them onto your wire. The amount of buttons, whatever you like, however big the size you would like to make your tree. You know, you can make a little tiny one. These are also so pretty to put on gift packages. Adorable. Do I want another one of these? No, that's the big one. Okay. I think this should be okay. Maybe I'll just do one more of these. It doesn't matter which where you put it on, as long as it starts to form a tree. See that? Push it down so it's straight. Sorry, was that out of frame? Make sure your wires are straight, that you don't cross them, because then they're not going to sit right. Just keep feeding them through. Feed it through. Put the smallest one. See, starting to get a cute little Christmas tree here. I mean, it'd be cute if you, of course, if you do them in the green, like a tree. These red and green Christmas. I am a very pastel Christmas person. I don't use the bright reds, although and green, although I might put some this year. Okay, I've decided I'm going to put one more of these. Look how cute that is. How adorable is that? Now I want to put my Christmas tree topper. I thought these were so adorable. I don't know if you could see that, the light's too bright. For my pink little girly tree. But I also bought these because I thought these would be great on top of the tree. So now what I like to do is I like to push it through, both of them, and then I bend it. I bend it like that. And then I'm going to wrap it to keep it from moving. Wrap. I should have made it tighter actually because it's moving a little bit, but it's okay. Bring it around to the back. I'm going to come up and I'm just going to take it and I'm going to loop it around, tuck it under, take my pliers, I tighten it up by squeezing the wire. I mean, if the hole is big enough, you could go back through the hole and that'll keep it. You can add a little hot glue to stop it from moving. But so, you know, you just wrap it so it stays. Go. Is this not adorable? This little Christmas tree. And now I'm going to do one in the blue. And then stay till the end of the video. Don't forget, so you can find out how to win one of these farmers market calendars. And here are the final results. These are the ones that I made from the buttons that I saved from my grandmother's tin. I embellished a couple of these with beads to make it look like there were Christmas ornaments on them. These are the buttons I made from the Hobby Lobby buttons. Here are the rules to win the Farmers Market calendar. First, you must be subscribed to this channel. Comment below, please enter me and leave a comment. Please like this video and share this video. The winners will be announced on November 22nd. Good luck. Thanks for watching.